Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now this is the last part of transportation where we are going to discuss a case of multiple solutions. Can one single problem have multiple solutions? Yes, it is definitely possible in assignment as well as linear programming as well as transportation. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में एक प्रॉब्लम का दो सॉल्यूशंस जिनका सेम वैल्यूज पॉसिबल है and how to identify that and how to obtain the multiple solutions that we are going to learn now. For this I will use the solution of the previous part, that is the part 3, and based on that we will calculate the other solution or the alternate solution. Let's see. So I'm using here the same solution that we obtained in the previous part. I'm just trying to work out the Modi method in the same solution and learn how to find out multiple solutions to the same problem. एक ही प्रॉब्लम के दो सॉल्यूशंस कैसे निकालने हैं और उसके लिए क्या मेथड है, क्या इंडिकेटर्स है, कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कि इस प्रॉब्लम के दो सॉल्यूशंस हो सकते हैं, that we are going to learn now in this last part of transportation. So I have just introduced the solution here. I'll calculate the u and the v values. I'll put a 0 here. So 10 minus 4, 10 minus 0, it will be 10. In the first column, it will be 8 minus 10. In the first column, it will be 10 minus 10. In the second row, it will be 12 minus 2. In the third column, it will be 10 minus 14. In the third column, it will be 0 minus 14. And then in the second column, it will be 12 minus 0. I will calculate the delta values for the unoccupied cell. We have a formula delta is equal to cost minus u plus v. So for F1B, it will be 12 minus 0 plus 12, which is 0. At F1C, it will be 15 minus 0 plus 14, 1. At F2B, it will be 10 minus 2 plus 12, again is 0. At F3, it will be 15 minus 4 plus 10, 9. At F3B, it will be 9 minus 4 plus 12, 1. At F4C, it will be 18 minus 0 plus 14, 4. At F5A, it will be 0 minus 14 plus 10, plus 4. And at F5B, it will be 0 minus 14 plus 12, which will be 2. Now, what is the indicator that my solution will have another alternate solution? मेरे एक प्रॉब्लम को एक से ज्यादा सॉल्यूशन होगा, ये कहां से मालूम पड़ेगा? तो you check the delta values. What are the delta values for unoccupied cells? अगर कोई डेल्टा वैल्यू अनऑक्युपाइड सेल का 0 होगा तो we can conclude that that particular problem can have another solution which will give the same answer. In the present case we have not one but two zero values. मेरे पास दो zeros है, एक F1B पे है 0 और एक F2B पे मेरे पास 0 है. That means I can get two more solutions to the same problem. In fact, I can get three solutions to this problem. What to do to obtain the another solution to the problem? We are not going to do anything new here. We are going to simply draw the loop by using any one unoccupied cell with a delta value of 0. आप अनऑक्युपाइड सेल जिसका डेल्टा वैल्यू 0 होगा उसको लेके लूप बनाओ और सॉल्यूशन को मॉडिफाई करो so that you can get another solution. So it's not something new we are doing. We are simply applying the same concept of loop in transportation to get another solution to the same problem. It's not that my present solution is not optimal. It's already optimal. But if the question asks you, does the problem has an alternate solution? So this 0 is the indicator that my problem has an alternate solution. And using this unoccupied cell with a delta value of 0 will make a loop and find the solution. Let's try. So मेरे पास दो zeros हैं, मैं दोनों में से किसी भी एक zero को ले सकता हूँ. तो I'll try to take the first F1B cell to get the alternate solution. We'll start from this particular point. We'll go to 200. 200 से हम लोग जाएंगे 50 पे, 50 से जाएंगे हम 40 पे, and 40 से back to the same point. So we started from F1B, value will be plus, then minus, again a plus and minus. जहां से हमने लूप शुरू किया था वहां पे पॉजिटिव साइन देना है. प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस, मेरे पास दो नेगेटिव्स है दो पॉजिटिव्स है. नेगेटिव्स में मेरा एलोकेशन है 40 और 200. सो 40 और 200 whichever is less में 40 आएगा. तो I will subtract 40 from these negative corners and I will add that 40 to the positive corners. 40 minus 40 will be 0. 200 minus 40 will be 160. And here it will be 50 plus 40 90. और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा मेरा unoccupied cell पे 40. So we have obtained a new solution now. I won't check the solution again, but I'll just try to find out the total cost. So total cost will be 40 into 12, 10 into 8, 110 into 12, 80 into 10, 90 into 10, 160 into 12, and 110 into 0. So my total cost comes to rupees 5,500. This was my initial solution as per the original question, 5,500. हमने उसी solution को obtain किया by reshuffling, by making some changes, and we obtained 5,500. So the basic indicator for getting a alternate solution or a multiple solution is to find out the cell with the delta value of 0. So any unoccupied cell with the delta value of 0 will give us a alternate solution. हमारे पास और एक 0 था. Can I get an optimal solution or an alternate solution by using that 0? Let's see. I will redraw the table again by making the same table but with the new solution. So now we are going to see one more alternate solution to the same problem. Already हमने एक solution निकाला उसका original, फिर हमने alternate solution दूसरा निकाला. अब हम इसी problem का और एक solution जो हमको same cost 5,500 rupees देगा, we will try to find out. As told to you earlier, to find out the alternate solution, we have to always use the unoccupied cell with a delta value of 0. हमारे पास दो वैल्यूज था डेल्टा वैल्यू 0 वाले सेल्स. एक हमने ऑलरेडी यूज कर लिया F1B. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज F2B to find out the alternate solution. So I will make a loop by using this F2B cell. If you check, I can go from here to 110. मैं इस सेल से 110 पे जा सकता हूँ. 110 से I can come to 80. 80 से अगर मैं डायरेक्शन चेंज करता हूँ राइट साइड में और लेफ्ट साइड में, so I don't have any other occupied cell to change the direction. So this route is not advisable. मैं यहाँ से जाता हूँ 110, 110 से जाता हूँ ये वाले 110 पे, but again I don't have any occupied cell in the last row. Again this route won't be advisable. So what is the other option? The easiest option is to go to 10, come down 50, come to the right 200, back to the same point from which we started. So हम यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, 10 पे जाएंगे, 50 पे जाएंगे, 200 पे जाएंगे, and we are back to the same point. You can go any way. I just went clockwise. You can go anti-clockwise. Anyway, it will be okay. Now, what I will do, I will put the positive sign in the unoccupied cell. तो यहाँ पर मेरा positive sign, minus, plus and minus. आपके पास दो negatives है और दो positives है. Negatives में आपका छोटा वाला allocation आएगा 200 और 10, which is less 10. So I will subtract this 10 from both the values. So 10 minus 10 it will become 0, and 200 minus 10 it will become 190. और वही 10 हम लोग पॉजिटिव कॉर्नर्स पे ऐड करेंगे, तो दिस विल बिकम 10. ये ऑक्युपाइड हो गया और ये 50 हो जाएगा आपका 60. Now, as we saw earlier, I won't again check the optimality of the solution. I'll just try to find out whether this solution is alternate solution or not. So my total cost will be 40 into 10 into 10, 110 into 12, 80 into 10, 60 into 10, 190 into 12, and 110 into 0. So you can see I have obtained the total cost, which is again 5,500. मेरे original question पे cost was 5,500. हमने पहला alternate solution obtain किया, उसका भी cost 5,500 था, और यहाँ पर मेरा second alternate solution, which will again give me the same cost. So in all I have got 3 solutions with the same cost. So moral of the story at the end of the day is like, if you get 0 in the unoccupied cell delta value, you will get the alternate solution. With this, we are at the last stage of completion of transportation introduction, where we have seen how to obtain the alternate solution or multiple solutions to a same problem. If the delta value of any of the unoccupied cell is 0, it is the indicator that your problem will have alternate solutions. Make the use of the unoccupied cell with delta value 0 to make a transportation loop and modify the solution by plus minus rule and get the alternate solution. And always calculate the total cost. If your total cost matches with the original solution, that means you are on the right track. Hope you got all the points clear. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel Ekeeda.